Hi everyone, my name's Lise from Ellii, formerly known as ESL Library, and today I want to show you how you can use our digital dialogue task in your classroom. This is a type of activity that you can find in many of our lessons, and today I went to our functional English section and I chose the lesson called Making Small Talk. Let's take a look by going down here to our task player. Now you should be able to see all the different activities along the left-hand side of your screen. And if you scroll down, you can find the ones that are called dialogue. Let's select one of these and click Start. You're now inside the activity, and the first thing you're going to be able to see are the different characters who are speaking in the dialogue. When you scroll down, you'll see the dialogue in front of you written out, and at the very bottom of the screen, you'll also see the audio component that goes with the dialogue. If you click the play button, you'll be able to listen to the audio.
Good morning. Did you catch the game last night?
The dialogue activity is such a great activity for you to use in your class. Whether you're doing this in person or online, there's so many fun things that you can do with this activity. You can take turns role-playing, going back and forth and reading through the dialogue with your student, or asking your students to do it in pairs. You can also have your student listen to the audio first, see how much they comprehend, and then even try to memorize the dialogue and do a role play or a presentation in class. There's lots of fun things you can do with this activity, but once your students are finished, they scroll down to the bottom and they click the button, I'm finished. And that concludes our activity. If you'd like to try with your students again, click Try Again, which will bring you back to the initial page where you can click Start. If you're ready to move on to something new, go up to the task list and choose your next activity. So that's it for our dialogue activity. I hope you found this demo helpful. Thank you and happy teaching.